Dahan-dahan.
Yeah, 82 years old.
Okay.
And in 1990, he lived the home to until now. See, in the nature, that efficiency brand a lot of beside that, he lived a very soft like tree trunk. And in the tree had many rooms. And the 8 room in the tree had its person. When you go to visit, you can see all that room and you can see my room, tango room,
Yep.
and special on that room we can stay in here if you like it in nature. Because in here the same mini hotel. Yeah. So the first you go upstairs in the left, you see tree house number 1 in here.
Yep.
Yeah. And then you get tree house number 2.
Yep.
And then you see the room house. Madam Nga, you living in this house.
Okay.
And you can go to the her house. And then you see the mountain. The
Yeah.
back the mountain have two garden. And you come back the mountain. In the mountain you go outside and you see tree house number 3 over there. And
Okay.
exit this way. Yeah, so that is information about the house. The
Okay.
first you go up from here.
Yes,
And
thank you
I'm
very
so
much.
sorry, my camera is not She's 82 years old. Yun siya nakatira. Nandito daw siya.
So the owner lives in this area.
She's already 82 years old. She's an architect.
Okay. Let's go up. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Be careful with the stairs. Okay. Look at the stairs. Tingnan nyo mga Hapinoy travelers. Ang hagdan. So medyo challenging. Kailangan medyo work out. May kasamang hingal, di ba? So crazy house. These are made of stone, concrete. The owner of this house is an architect who lives here. So just be cautious with the stairs. So we don't want anybody tipping off. Uy, it's like a maze in here.
It's like amazing.
Pwedeng tambay pag gusto. Hindi ba tayo bababa dyan? Talaga. So here, you can check in this room if you like. They're also a hotel, but be cautious because visitors like us will be looking at your room. Peeking at your room.
It's quite awkward, right?
I know.
You rent something here, and then everybody's continuously passing by.
Exactly. It's crazy, right?
It's really crazy.
I would get quite annoyed at that.
So annoying. So, the view.
I think there's someone inside. That's why it's coming out.
Oh, there's some keys. So probably someone is checking there. So this is the lot, the view of the lot. from inside this crazy house. So, kung mapansin nyo, mga ka-Hapinoys, di ba parang Baguio? Weather like Baguio, looks like Baguio. Very thin ang oxygen.
Yeah, nice.
Sa mga runners, masarap mag-training dito. Ubusan ng oxygen. Okay, continue. Continue. Sure. Turn left. Okay. Tararun. So, it's a very big property, quite big. So where do we go? We go up. So there are two ways. We go up or we go here. Let's go up. Tarun. It's quite a step. It's quite a climb. But probably you'll have one of the best views from here. Oh yeah. Okay, going down. Just be careful when you're going down. Make sure you're holding the rails so you won't get derailed. Wow, tren lang. So, pataas ng pataas. That means you're going to see everything from here. Just be careful if you're afraid of heights. One step at a time, boys. One step at a time. And watch your steps.
If you're scared of heights, this is not for you.
So crazy, right? That's why it's called the crazy house. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. So, more stairs to climb. Oops. 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 Oops, 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 oopsie. Oh, still there, oh. Crazy coffee. How do you go there? Oh, there. Meron pa dun, oh. Tingnan mo. Cable car over there. So there's a coffee shop, tea house down there. If we go down here, will we take the same route? Or let's just go inside because it's too hot. It's kinda hot. Oh, this way or this way? Long way, shorter way. Let's go this way, but lean on the side so you won't fall off. Whoops! Toot. Okay, if you go the other way, you'll go straight down. But if you go this way, you're just gonna be here. Oh, surprise, surprise! Where is this going? Oh, we're just circling around. Probably this is going to be made into a room. And that one will be made into another room. Okay, so that's not much crazy. Sa mga rooms na to. Whoops! We'll be turning to a room. Going down. Going down. Here? There. Oh! Surprise, surprise! There's a color blue. There's a color red. So let's just go down and see what's in store. Hapinoys! Ayan na, mga Hapinoys. Ayos pa ba kayo dyan? Up, there's a coffee shop. Pizza parlor. We're not hungry. Busog, di ba? Ang dami natin kinain kanina. Hapinoy travelers. Uy! Scary. Scary. Crazy House, the history of the establishment and development of Crazy House. Oh, so this is your history room. Okay. So probably these are the owners, founders. And this is how big the property is. Yan o. Kita nyo. Ito na yung mga mayayaman dito sa Dalat. Oh, nice. Under the sea. Under the sea. Tararara, tararara, under the sea. Ariel. Ariel. Sensya na. Sabi na, nadala ako eh. Disneyland. Wish I could be a part of the world.